guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing well. So guys, we all need detox. We need to detox our body and especially our liver. But not only liver, you should also detox your under eyes. Okay, so how do you do that? You do that with collagen. What is collagen? Collagen is the structural compound protein found in skin and in other connective tissues. So we need collagen for our under eyes to brighten it, to open your eyes up, to look fresh. And I was looking for a really good collagen eye mask and I found this. So guys, this is the Mond Subs Crystal Golden Eye Mask. And it has collagen in this. I was looking for a product which has collagen, which is really good for your under eyes, especially people who have puffy eyes and a lot of dark circles. And this is a really cool mask. Where do you get it from? You can get it from Amazon. And I'm just going to show you how to apply this. So you open the strip like this, and this is going to be a little liquidy because as I told you, it has collagen in this. And then you get this tray out very carefully and remove all the liquid. So just take the eye mask and this is how you apply it. You just place it like this under your eyes and make sure there's a little bit of distance from your lower lash line and this product, because you don't want a lot of irritation or anything into your eyes. This is just for your under eyes. I'm going to place the next one. So once you place this, what do you do with the liquid? I don't want to waste it, so I just take all the liquid, which is the collagen, I just place it on this and then you massage it gently. So now guys, I've placed this, I'm just going to massage it gently and now I'm going to let it stay for about 20 minutes. So guys, you all can just rest, or before even applying your makeup, you can just put this and then do your eyeshadow and everything and then remove this. Or else if you're watching TV or you're just at home, just do this for your under eyes. It's really good for your under eyes. So I'm just going to rest for about 20 minutes and I'll be right back. So guys, it's been almost 20 minutes now and then I'm going to remove this. So as you can see, I can actually feel a lot of cool thing going into my under eyes, and then all the puffiness is almost gone. And then I'm just going to massage it because there's a little bit of liquid still left. So, and if you massage your under eyes, this will increase blood flow. I think I really like this product. It's really good. I've tried it a lot of times at home. But then you need to use it at least 2 times a week to see better results. And where you can get it from Amazon, and it's called the Mond Subs Golden Eye Collagen Golden Eye Mask. And it's really cool. So if you want me to try any other products, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button. See you guys. Bye.